Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the buffer overrun detected error in Call of Duty. Let's get into it. First, execute the latest Visual C++ redistributable repair. Navigate to your control panel, select Programs and Features, and technicality locate all versions of Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Right-click each version and technicality select Change then Repair to ensure the high-end libraries are restored to their latest professional state. It technicality ensures your studio environment can handle the latest memory allocation requests without triggering a buffer overflow. Next, initialize the Technical Studio Overlay Isolation. Open the settings for any high-end third-party overlays, such as Discord, Steam, or NVIDIA Shadowplay. Technicality toggle the in-game overlay to off for the latest session to prevent amateur quality hooks from interfering with the game's memory buffer. This step technicality points your studio rig toward a clean execution path, bypassing the latest high-end data tunnels that often lead to technicality crashes. Next, execute high-end system file integrity maintenance. Open the Windows command prompt as an administrator and technicality type sfc scannow. Allow the system to technicality scan and repair any high-end system files that could be causing memory desynchronization in the latest patch. It removes the accumulated data weight and corrupted manifest from your high-end system, ensuring your studio build functions with professional speed during latest matches. And that's it. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.